was your test?
It was hot.
You know what? The best thing after a test is to have a double chocolate chip muffins. They're really good here. Just like warm them.
Oh, really? Well, I'm so tired, so hot. Can I have a double chocolate muffin, please?
Sure, that'll be right up.
Yeah.
So you're actually out of declining?
What? Oh, no.
What happened? How did you get out of all your declining? It's half the semester only.
I don't know. I feel like I wasn't keeping track of my spending.
Transitioning into college is a big lifestyle change for students, especially when it comes to food. And UR Eats hopes to solve that problem by helping students not only track their budget and nutritional intake, but also understand it and understand what their personal macros and budget should be. To start off, we created a list of all the features we thought our app should have. And then we created a paper prototype trying to organize them in different ways. Eventually, we settled on 3 sections: Eat, Budget, and Community. And then we transferred those ideas to our balsamic prototype. This was an important step because a key feature of our app is the data that we're presenting to students, and we needed to figure out what was the best way to make sure that they get what they need. Next, not only to get a good look and feel for the app, but also to help with our development process, we created high fidelity prototype to solidify the look and feel for the app. So we implemented our app using the MERN stack, and we used a lot of the feedback that we got from the user evaluations to improve the UI, the design, and the data organization of our app. So here's the login screen. This is the first screen you see as soon as you open the app. I'm going to quickly log in with an ID that I've already created. There we go. So the first page I see when I log in is the budget page. On this page, I can see the declining I have left to spend for the day, my plan, my daily budget, and also how much declining and swipes I have remaining. Let's also look at my personal macros, which you can see by clicking on that side button. Here you can see what my total macros for the day would be, my carbs, proteins, and fat intake that I should probably take. Now, the Eat section. Here I can see all the restaurants that are available, and if I click on any particular shop, I'll see its menu as well. So let's try it out, shall we? When I click on a menu item, I can see allergens, dietary restrictions, and also the various macros breakdown. And if I click on I ate this, our app will decrease that number of macros and the price from your budget and personal macros, so you can keep track of how much you're eating and how much you're spending every day. So we can go back to our budget, and you can see that the declining went down and the overall declining also went down. In my personal macros, we can also see that these numbers also came down. Now we admit that the current version of UR Eats may not be the best version for you, but it's a first step, and we believe that it's a first step in the right direction. UR Eats, because you are what you eat.